Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine as. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of sine, we have cosine as. Later that, we do first derivative of as. You got about a, and I will put about ds. Next, we divide both sides by a. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du over a. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u and we put about c. About u, that is about sine as. And this is the final answer. Now we do similar for the second one. So I will put about u equals to cosine as. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have negative a sine as ds. Because we don't have negative a, so we need to divide both sides by negative a. So this one we change by u. Sine as ds we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u and we put about c. About u, that is about cosine as. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.